We are halfway through our body systems unit. We've done respiratory, digestive, and circulatory. And I chose to do the nervous system next because in my mind it's the closest one to the circulatory system, in that there's one main organ that sends something throughout the body. So the main organ in the nervous system is your brain. And its job is to send messages and signals throughout your body. The nervous system is broken up into two parts. There's the central nervous system, which includes your brain and your spinal cord, and then the peripheral nervous system. And what that one contains is really just your nerves. So it's the actual nerve part of the system. The brain is the boss of your body. It tells your body what to do and when to do it. And then the spinal cord that you see is basically like a messenger. Its job is to take those messages from the brain down through the body and send them to the nerves so that your body knows what to do. The peripheral nervous system, like I said, is made up of the nerves. There's two main types of nerves, the sensory nerves and the motor nerves. The sensory nerves revolve around the 5 main senses. They help your body recognize those signals and recognize touch and taste and sight and feel, hearing and smelling. The motor nerves obviously deal with your muscle movement. They're the nerves that take the messages from your brain that say like, hey, I want to slap my brother. Well, those nerves are the ones that tells you to pick up your arm, slap him across the face, and then run and hide from your mom. Let it be known that I do not condone slapping your siblings or anyone in your family. I have a sweet hands talk. Everybody who was in my class last year can tell you about it. Those are the basics of the nervous system. It really is that simple. Your brain, your spinal cord, and your nerves. If you want, there's a lot to your brain. It is a very complex organ, and if you want to be a neurologist, I suggest you go to college, and they'll teach you a whole lot more about it than I am. But we're just doing the basics. So some fun facts about your nervous system. Your nervous system is made up of billions of nerve cells called neurons, and what these do is they join together to form your nerves. In fact, you have more neurons in your body than there are stars in the Milky Way. So think about how big the Milky Way was when we talked about it, and then think about how many neurons that must be. Another fun fact about your brain in particular is that when you're a little baby and you're a newborn, your brain grows in size 3 times in your first year of life. So that's kind of cool and something to think about. All right, next up is the skeletal system.